Today we're at Funnel Cake Factory here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, and we're going to get a little sweet treat. Welcome back to All About the Smokies. Welcome back to Quick Bites. Miranda got the regular funnel cake with sugar and whipped cream and cinnamon, and it also had cinnamon sugar. And I got the red velvet with cream cheese. She's gonna take her first bite. Huh? I don't understand a word that's coming out of your mouth. How is it? Alright, I'm gonna get a bite here. No, really. That's awesome. This is so good. Alright, so we just tried the Funnel Cake Factory. You saw our first bite, so we both agreed it was pretty amazing. Awesome. I'm ashamed. I have to tell you guys something. We weren't able to finish. Pray for us. It was so much sugar.
I could have if I had pushed my way through it, but I'd have been sick as a dog the rest of the night.
Been pushing it out later. But it was amazing. So if you're looking for some sort of sweet treat, not only do they have funnel cakes, they have these things. And we saw our friend Michael from NTL Vlogs. I'll post a link in the description to his channel. We ran into him there, and he got a what was it? A fudge cake.
Mm-hmm.
And they take a chocolate cake and they put ice cream on top and then smother it in hot fudge. Looked amazing. So, and everybody raves about that thing. So if you need a sweet treat, it's the Funnel Cake Factory in Pigeon Forge.
They also have ice cream.
They also have ice cream.
And popcorn and pork rinds.
I forgot all about that.
Yeah. Like they had a variety of different kind of foods. They had fried Oreos, like deep fried Oreos, Twinkies.
Yep.
A lot of fair food, which during COVID, a lot of fairs aren't happening. So it's a great place to go and get your fair food fix.
I was going to say, fair food fix. So we highly recommend the Funnel Cake Factory.
Yeah. And it was hopping, so I think a lot of people agree.
Line, and they were getting people in and out pretty quickly, so the line just kept growing and then it deplete again. So, but easy to find. Pop it in your GPS, and we'll also put the address down in the description. But if you've tried that before, let us know down in the comments what your favorite thing to get at the Funnel Cake Factory is. So that'll do it for this video from the Great Smoky Mountains. We hope you have a great day. God bless.